So now we're going to have a look at oscillator 3, which is accessed by clicking on the number 3 here. It says 3 kind of /n, and n stands for noise, which is the noise module down here. Now the third oscillator offers us a choice of 4 different waveforms: sine, triangle, square and saw. And we can access them by clicking on this little drop down here. We can change them from there. We have a semitone control. Now obviously to hear oscillator 3 we need to bring it up on the mixer. There you go, we can pitch that oscillator down, for example, against the other 2 oscillators, and that is quite a kind of frequent use of having extra oscillators, is to thicken out the low frequencies by pitching them down. We've got a fine tune here to enable us to fine tune this, and then a reset, so we kind of start the oscillator's phase from the same point every single time we press the key. So we can use this to layer up. So let's say we added some more voices here, spread them, let's put this onto a wavetable. So we can make something quite kind of thick and detuned, for example. And then using oscillator 3, we can dial in a nice, clean, kind of fat waveform which hasn't got all of the layering and the unison controls on it. So it'll be nice and kind of clear and concise compared to the first oscillator. Let's just take that down again. Okay, so as I said, semitones here to change the pitch, fine. To do it in sense, reset to reset the phase every time. Now the next thing we have here is this noise module. Now in order to hear the noise, we have to use our mixer to bring up the noise level here. Now the controls we have are low pass. Let's actually just take down oscillator 3 for now. Low pass acts like a low pass filter. Rolls off the high frequencies. High pass does the same the other way around, so it removes the low frequencies. And then width allows us to create a stereo width to the noise. Just how nice that sounds. Let's just take the high pass off. Really nice stereo width that's being added there. And we can choose to have the white noise as white or pink, which is that slightly kind of duller sounding noise. Now, as well as using the noise section and also the extra oscillator, we also have the ability to load in audio files in oscillator 3, and we're going to have a look at in the next video. To recap, in this video we looked at oscillator 3 and the noise section. So oscillator 3 gives us a choice of 4 extra waveforms: saw, square, triangle, sine. We can tune these by semitone or by sense with the fine tune, and we can reset the phase so we have the same start point essentially on the phase of the waveform using the reset button. Now the noise module down here has a low pass, a high pass, an amazing width control, and we can choose from white or pink noise. And remember, we bring that in using the dial here. So now we've covered oscillator 3's waveform kind of section here, and also the noise oscillator. In the next video we're going to have a look at loading in and manipulating audio. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.